wonderful friends. I hope my dear children are doing good. Well, all good, right? Should be all good, okay? You are gonna do great, and do not be worried about anything. Please make sure you have enough sleep, enough food in your tummy, and also enough amount of water and enough amount of peace. Peace is very, very important. If peace is not here, basically nothing is going to work. So have mental peace and go give your examination. And one very important thing before you do that, there are certain mistakes that we as human beings might do. In human, there is an M, right? M stands for mistake. We all do mistakes. Okay, we are prone to do that. But if at all possible, we can avoid it, right? So there are some mistakes which you can avoid and that can really, really help you. And I'm going to talk about that. Make sure you watch this video entirely, and wishing you the best. That's all. So I do not want to waste much of your time. Let's go ahead with the first one. Reaching late in the examination center. First big mistake out there. Okay. Why I'm telling you about this is that physics and chemistry is going to be your first paper, right? Now you have no idea about this particular center. If at all you are someone who is very much new to the center, you have never been to this particular place, you have heard about it. You do not understand what is going to be the traffic like. Right, if at all you're someone who's staying in Bangalore, you know how is the traffic situation over here. It's very difficult to commute, right? Now, if you face a similar kind of atmosphere over there, it will be really difficult for you to reach up at the correct time. And that is very, very important for you to reach at the correct time. As I said, it's a new place. You're going to write the first examination, physics and chemistry, and there are going to be certain formalities. For example, you might have heard from the KA director who said that the scanner which is there in the in the admit card, that is going to be scanned up, and basically your face is going to be popped up in the device that that particular person is going to carry, whoever is going to do the checking. Yeah. The face that you had put, basically the photograph that you had put while filling in the application, that is going to come, and there will be checking being done that okay, is this person the same or not. All those things are going to be there. Apart from that also, there might be certain other things that are going to take place, for which you need to be there at the spot before time. So I know that some people might say that, ma'am, only 10 minutes away from my home. Still, please be there at least 1.5 hours before the examination commences, because it's the first examination that you're gonna give out there, right? Why to make things difficult for yourself? Now, in the admit card, in the instructions along with the admit card, is written that everyone has to reach 2 hours prior. So if not 2 hours, as I said, 1.5 hours. And also for anyone who is coming in their religious attires, please make sure you have to mandatorily be there 2 hours prior. Also, if at all you are someone who is specially abled, you are wearing some hearing implants and things like that, as I said in yesterday's video, make sure you are also there 2 hours. That is mandatory for you. Right? So also one more very important thing, in the admit card, the location that is given to you, please do the fact check once more. Is it the same place that you're going to go tomorrow? Okay, or is it are there some other places? Okay, are there some different blocks of the same college? So there might be one college given to you. Now the block number might also be written, but you're not aware of that. You have not read that properly. So please make sure you go through all these details. These are very, very, very important thing. This can avoid last minute panicky situations out there in the examination hall, right? Yes, that works, I hope. The next thing, okay, by the way, I have made a separate video on bell timings. Make sure you go and watch it. I have explained it really, really well, that what is going to happen at what time, how many bells are going to be there. It's very important for you to know that as well, because in examination center, in the hall, when you're sitting and you hear bells being rang, basically it's a new atmosphere for you, okay? So it's difficult for you. It's not a habitual thing for you to sit there, right? So it's good if at all you know about it in advance, is that you could be mentally prepared. Okay, the next thing, overconfidence in easy looking questions. This is what we usually do. Easy question spotted, we are like, oh macha, it's very easy, I'm gonna do the question. Don't do that. Okay, first of all, when you spot an easy question, just understand it cannot be easy. It cannot be easy. There might be something over here which is twisted. So what you do is that read it twice. Read the question twice. Answering the question is as important. Reading the question is as important as answering it. Read the question carefully. Only if you understand it better, you are going to answer the question. Right? Yes. So read the question carefully. What is being asked? You might have done some similar questions before, but there might be certain changes included there and you might not realize it. So that is exactly why I'm telling you, read it twice, read the options. Option number B might be correct, but still go ahead with C and D as well. You do not know, D might be more correct. Okay, so once you read D, then you realize that, oh, B is not the actual answer. So please do not show overconfidence while solving easy questions. That does not mean that you have to be sad when you see an easy question. I just mean that please make sure that you do not waste an opportunity where you can easily score marks. Yeah, and with that, I also want to tell one more thing. When you face the examination for the first time, I have told in another video that I've made that it's for the first time you are there in the hall. It's a whole different scenario. We might be worried about a lot of things. We might see questions for the first time. There might be tougher questions also that could be spotted up. But please understand, there will be easy questions. So at least 40 questions would be something that you can easily do. So find them and do them. Okay, have that in your head that yes, there are easy questions, I will be able to find them. Yeah, okay. Rest about the time management, I have in that particular video. So there's a video that I have made about time management where I have exactly told you what type of questions are gonna coming in. Okay, will be coming in the exam, and how do you need to face it. But I'm still telling you, having no proper time management is a big problem. If you are someone who feels that, okay, I'll just keep on doing just a single question out there for a very long time, you need to realize that you're going to miss out time on the other questions, which is also doable. So please understand, you need to manage your time properly. If at all you can, stick with the logic, 1 minute, one question. 1 minute, one question. There are some questions which would be exceptions, lengthy questions would be there. If at all lengthy questions are there, check whether it's doable or not. Okay, is it doable within this much amount of time? If not 60 seconds, can you do it within 90 seconds or not? Have it in your head, analyze it, then go ahead. If not, do it later on. Okay, so please have proper time management. Just because you're investing too much time over here, you should not take away the time from something that is easily doable. You could have done it, you would be regretting it later on. That's why I'm telling you, have proper time management. I'll be reminding you once more about the bell timings. At 10:40, Baba, you can open the question booklet and start answering. Before that only you will get it, but you cannot open it. You have to fill in your OMR sheet. Once you get the paper, okay, once you start solving, there are 3 bells that are going to be there. First one will indicate that 30 minutes are being done. Okay, you just have 30 minutes more, 30 minutes has been finished. Okay, then there will be a bell for indicating 20 minutes is done. Okay, so that means 20 minutes is something that is left. That is what I meant to say. Only 20 minutes are left. So first bell for indicating only 30 minutes are left. Next bell which is there is for indicating 20 minutes are left. And finally there will be a bell which is going to indicate that only 5 minutes are left. So in that last 5 minutes out there, that is very, very important for you. Make sure you just check through everything. If at all there are some questions which are unattempted, please solve it. Don't leave any question. There is no negative marking. Very, very, very important. Do not leave it. Okay? Yes. Now, fourth problem is wrong bubbling in the OMR sheet. So sometimes because of the time and the problem, things like that, what we do is that we might be attending second question, but we might be bubbling in the third one. So what is the best way to avoid that? Follow a sequence if at all you can. If not, just look at the question number. In the question number in the OMR, tally it. It might take at least 2 seconds of your time, but these 2 seconds can be worth it, right? So please make sure you tally it and then only bubble it up. Similarly, I have made a separate video for what you call OMR sheet bubbling. You can watch it, but still I'm telling you, make sure you make the border first and then color it up, and color it up fully. Okay, it should be like a yellow ball, sorry, not yellow ball. It should be like a blue ball or a black ball out there with the help of black or blue ballpoint pen. So wrong bubbling definitely is not something that you should be doing. Okay, please make sure you have, if at all you have the OMR sheet with you, and I hope you have that, right? Along with the admit card they gave you. Please practice the bubbling if you can for 10 minutes at least today. It might be a silly thing for you when I talk about this right now, but it's definitely going to be helping you. And see what is a pen that you can use. So today I used black and a blue pen. You know what? With the blue pen I was able to do it better rather than the black pen. What if I took the black pen? Okay, so obviously it would hamper my speed, right? So make sure you try it out by yourself and check it out. Cool? Yes. Now, next thing, leaving questions unattended. I told you that's the worst thing to do in KCET because there is no negative marking, and that's the best part of this particular examination. So do not leave any question. Last 5 minutes which is there, if at all you think that there is no question but I can put my logic in, at least do the guesswork and attempt all of them. Very, very, very important. I know that's repeated, but yes, it's important. That is why a whole different point. Now, one more mistake that you commonly do and have not put it over here, and that is not having enough sleep. I know, I have told in another video also, I know that it might not make sense. You might be not sleeping today, but with my experience, I do not know if I have told about this or not. I have also done this. I am a person who used to study at night only. Okay, and I didn't have proper food. I went somewhere and I fell down. So don't do that. Okay, your brain needs enough amount of energy in the form of glucose. Please make sure you have enough sleep, and if not enough sleep, if you're not sleeping enough, in the worst scenario, please have food. Okay, please have food that does not cause any allergies to you and things like that, which is safe for you, which you usually have, and enough amount of water. Well, water bottle is you should not be carrying the water bottle, because they will be providing you water there itself. There will be provisions for giving you water. Okay, so you're not supposed to carry water bottle and all. Cool? Yes. And the final checklist, I hope you are done with that. Have your admit card ready. If at all you have, keep 2 to 3 copies. If not, just 2 copies is also fine. Just in any worst scenario, if it is getting torn or things like that. And also have your identity card. It can be Aadhaar card, it can be voter's ID. Okay, or it can be a second PUC admit card or your CBSE admit card. It can be either of them. Please carry it along with you, or passport if you have. Okay, voter's ID also if at all you have it. Ballpoint pen, as I said, please use something that you have used before. And one night before, suppose it's a brand new pen that I have purchased, do not just go and give the examination with the help of that. Please write something such that it is a bit smooth for you to do the OMR filling out there, right? And the dress code as well, please be sure about following the dress code. Do not go to the examination hall with full sleeves and all, they will not let you in. Similarly, do not go with shoes as well. Okay, and jewelry items are not allowed. Please do not ask, no spin is allowed or not. Nothing, do not carry anything. That will be much safer for you. Why do you want to take any risk out there, right? So I have made separate videos for that, things to carry, and also the dress code. In the things to carry, I missed whitener because it was not there apparently in the PDF, but I'm telling you, whitener is also not allowed. Only ballpoint pen, you take it, that's all. Okay, ballpoint pen, you take it, that's all. Also, one more trick I'm saying, if at all you're lazy to watch the other thing, that is the exam hall time management. If there are some questions for which you know that you know the answer, but it is lengthy, make a star mark. For the questions that you do not know, you're not sure, make a circle, distinguish such that you can come back to I know this question, I just didn't solve it because it was lengthy. I can come back and I solve it because I know it, right? For this question, you understand that I do not know it, I have to do my guesswork. This will save a lot of your time as well. Yeah? So I think that's all, Baba. That's the only thing that I had to tell you. And do not forget us. Okay, please come back and please let us know how was your examination. And you have math and biology, so I'll be seeing you again. And that's all. Wishing you the best. Please take care of yourself. You will do good. Trust in yourselves. And what? Pray. Okay, pray before you give the examination to whatever God you believe in. And take your parents' blessings, and above all, believe in yourselves, because it's you who is going to write the examination, and you are the most important person for yourself. Okay, especially tomorrow. So have that, and that's not selfishness. And yes, that's all. So wishing you the best. Take care. Bye bye. Lots of love from Jasmine Ma'am. Signing off.